This is my recipe for great granola bars. Granola bars are easy to make, freeze well, and are a healthy breakfast, lunchbox food, or snack. Send the bars straight from the freezer to school, for travel, or as an on-the-go snack. Now, granola bars were such a hit in my first book that I included 3 varieties in my second. Craisins, coconut, and O's, which is my personal favorite, is the first variety. There's also a ginger snap version, and then pecan, coconut, and chocolate chip granola bars are a really popular one with family and friends. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees and spray an 11 by 17 jelly roll pan with baking spray. You can substitute dried fruit for the chocolate chips. You can substitute sunflower seeds for the pumpkin seeds, and the peanut butter can be switched out with nutso or almond butter. Almond butter makes the bars a little drier, but it does work. Attach your paddle attachment to your mixer, and then you can dump all of the ingredients except the crisp rice cereal into the mixing bowl. Mix until well combined. And then add the rice cereal and mix another 30 seconds. Then spread this evenly in our prepared pan. And place in the preheated oven, baking 17 to 22 minutes or until the edges are slightly brown. Then when you remove the pan from the oven, allow the bars to cool for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then cut them into bars and allow them to completely finish cooling in the pan. These granola bars freeze great. I like to use an airtight tin and put wax paper between the layers. Thank you for joining me for this quick and easy recipe. For more, don't forget to subscribe.